Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you the best settings for streaming and recording in Streamlabs. So this is to assume that you already downloaded Streamlabs desktop for your PC. And once you have it open and fired up like what I have right now, what you want to do is go to settings on the lower left corner of your screen like this. Once you click that, a pop-up will appear. What you want to do is click on output. So here in output, by default, it's going to say simple, but you want to change it to advanced so you can tweak your settings. So as you can see, there are tabs under it. So streaming, recording audio, and replay buffer. So for streaming, audio track, if you want to have two, one for your mic and one for the game, do it two, right? Click for Twitch VOD 2, right? But if you don't want to, I would suggest don't click a Twitch VOD if you're starting out. So in encoder, use your GPU. So either, as you can see here, I have NVENC H.264 from NVIDIA because that's my graphics card. But if you don't have a graphics card or you have a weaker one, just do the software X264, which is your CPU. So after that, your rate control is CBR. Leave it as is. Bitrate, this depends on your internet connection. If you have a fast internet connection, you might want to go higher than this, maybe 6,000, right? And again, take note that each streaming service, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, has their own bitrate settings that you might want to check. So, but for this example, we're just going to go with 6,000 because we have a fast internet connection. Keyframe interval, leave it at 0. Preset quality, you know, like just do it quality. But if you have a good rig, just, you know, maybe go for performance, right? After that, profile, go high, right? And then, yeah, that's done for the streaming side of things. For recording, what you want to do is recording format, go with MKV, because with MKV, just like in OBS, if for some reason Streamlabs desktop crashes, at least your file will be saved. Because if you use MP4, it's going to be corrupted. It won't be usable, right? So again, after that, go to recording. If you have a graphics card, use your NVIDIA most of the time. If not, just go to software X264 using your CPU. And then rate control, same with streaming, CBR. Bitrate, here you can go ham because you're not using any internet anyway. So just maybe 8,000, right? 8,000, you're fine with that. Preset quality is as quality, profile is as high. Make sure you have psycho visual tuning ticked up, and yeah, just click done and you're all set to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.